Okay, we're going to show you how to remove an Ice Maker. This is a 700 BFI. This is an early version, but it pertains to all the other models. It's the same thing. There's only 3 bolts. There's 3 screws that you have to unloosen. There's one underneath here. It's Phillips head. Just lift it off, take off the cover, push in this little tab here, and pull it out, and that's the Ice Maker. This arm comes off. We can change this, save the cover. This is your harness, this is your fill tube with the heater on it, and this is your harness. So it pops out. Okay? That's how you replace the Ice Maker. Or that's how you remove the Ice Maker. To put it back in, you just reverse it.